Good evening to all. I am Subramaniam, working as assistant professor in Automobile department in Essence College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the circular economy in automotive manufacturing on recycling and resource efficiency. So, whatever using in the trend, we have to recycle it. Is it possible or not? So, we are in this automotive manufacturing. We see in this session we see about the recycling and resource efficiency of the automotive parts or the automotive manufacturing parts. So, circular economy principles are increasingly being embraced in the automotive manufacturing sector to promote the recycling and resource efficiency, minimizing the waste and environmental impact throughout through the vehicle life cycle. Recycling of the materials plays a central role in the circular economy approach to automotive manufacturing. End of life vehicles are dismantled and recycled to recover the valuable materials such as metals, plastics, and rubber. Advanced recycling technologies, including shredding, sorting, and separation techniques, enable the recovery of the high quality materials for reuse the new vehicle production. For example, steel and aluminum from the scrapped vehicles can be melted down and reused in the manufacturing for new car bodies and components, reducing the demand for the virgin materials and the lowering energy consumption. So, on the recycling, we see on the advanced recycling technologies, including the shredding, sorting, and separation techniques, enable the recovery of the high quality materials for reuse of the new vehicle production. In example, see about the steel and aluminum scrapped from the vehicles can be melted down and reused in the manufacturing of new car bodies and components, reducing the demand of the for virgin materials and lowering the energy consumption. Furthermore, efforts are underway to increase the recyclability of materials, automotive materials and components through the design optimization and material selections. Design for disassembly principles are incorporated into vehicle design to facilitate the dismantling and separation of the components during the recycling process. Manufacturers are also exploring the alternative materials and composites that are easier to recycle or biodegradable, reducing the environmental footprint of the automotive manufacturing. Resource efficiency is another key focus area in the circular economy approach to the automotive manufacturing. Manufacturers are implementing measures to minimize the material waste, energy consumption, and water usage throughout the production process. Lean manufacturing principles such as just-in-time production and waste reduction strategies help optimize the resource utilization and minimize the inefficiency in the manufacturing operations. Additionally, the adoption of the renewable energy resources, energy efficient technologies, and closed loop water recycling systems further enhance the resource efficiency and sustainability in automotive manufacturing facilities. Moreover, manufacturing and refurbishment practices contribute to the resource conservation and waste reduction in the automotive industry. Remanufactured components such as engines, transmissions, and electronics are resorted to like new condition and reuse the vehicles, extending their lifespan and reduce their need for new manufacturing. Refurbishment programs for the leased or rental vehicles enable the reuse of the vehicles after the initial lease term, maximizing their economic value and minimizing the waste. Finally, in conclusion, the circular economy approach to the automotive manufacturing promotes the recycling and resource efficiency to minimize the waste, and environmental impact throughout the vehicle life cycle. And in this session, we can see about the circular economy in the automotive manufacturing, on recycling and the resource efficiency. Thanks for your for watching this session.